I'm gonna show you how to open the new Afrin nasal spray bottle. The instructions are really not that clear, but I'm gonna roll it around so you can see the instructions. And it's not that clear. It took me a few minutes, but I figured it out without breaking it. It say hold the white tile, press, and all that stuff, but it's easier if I actually show you how to do it. And it's pretty simple once you see this video. First, you grab it and you squeeze these white tiles to keep it from spinning. Then you press in right here, you press in, then turn, then pop off. You have to press in. I'm gonna screw it back on. We'll do it again. You hold that, you see it won't turn until you press, then turn and pull off. And that's how you do it. All right, I hope this video helped, and have a great day.